I'm going to upcycle this old plastic soda bottle into a brand new composter. Here's how you do it. First, you'll need to get permission from an adult at home. They'll need to help you with some of the cutting parts. To make your own composter, you're going to need an old soda bottle. You're going to need some dirt, not potting soil, just dirt. You're going to need some plant scraps. I've used old leaves, some new leaves, and some grass clippings. You're going to need some shredded paper. You're going to need some water, preferably a spray bottle. I don't have a spray bottle, so I'm just going to be very careful when I put my water in. You're going to use some scissors. And then finally, you're going to need a push pin. All right, let's get started. First, rinse out your bottle and take off any of the labels on it. Then, have an adult cut the top of the bottle off. Using the push pin, have an adult poke some holes in the bottom of your bottle. Put your bottle on a plate and add the dirt, the shredded paper, and your leaves. Wet the base layer with some water. Notice how I'm using my hands just to sprinkle a few drops in. Now it's time to add your food items. Place the bottle in an area that gets plenty of sunlight. Every day, you should be adding some water and stirring around the contents so the bacteria get some new food. When not in use, place an old towel over the composter. It's going to take time for the food to break down. You can keep adding more scraps once you notice that it is breaking down, but once it turns into that soil, that's what you can take and sprinkle into your garden. Now it's your turn. Have fun making your DIY composter.